Spring is the perfect time to refresh your home with a clean out and a declutter. I've got some tips to declutter those often missed areas and show you what to do with those items that you might not know you could recycle. Is the cupboard under your sink in either your kitchen or your laundry filled with half-used cleaning sprays, floor or furniture cleaners, or even garden chemicals? Clear everything out, determine what you don't need or if anything has expired, and then utilise containers and labels to keep everything neater and easier to find. Common household chemicals can cause harm to the environment if disposed of incorrectly, so a chemical clean-out event is the best place to get rid of them safely. We all have that catch-all drawer for things that don't fit anywhere else, but often it's too messy and hard to find things. Remove anything you don't use anymore and recycle what you can. Things like old batteries and blown fluoro bulbs can be recycled, so store them until you're ready to go to the community recycling centre. Sort, group and arrange the remaining items into piles. You can then use drawer dividers or trays to keep everything neat and tidy. The garage can get messy quickly, so you do need to stay on top of things here. Group things into like items, then create zones so your family knows where everything belongs. Heavy-duty shelves and plastic tubs will keep everything in order. So now you've cleared out what you don't need, it's time to dispose of it in the right way. Things like chemical cleaners, batteries, or the old paint you found in the garage shouldn't be put in the bin and won't be collected as part of your council cleanup. Have a designated area where you keep all of your problem waste items together for safe storage before you can take them to a community recycling centre or a clean out event. Check out the New South Wales EPA website for your nearest centre or event and plan ahead so you can time your clean out to the date. Follow these tips to make your home and the environment that much better this spring.